Legislative Assembly gi masing yamlaba senfam lana sinnakhibasingi mathakta logi oiba action lokhatkadabani haina Congress ki senior leader O Joina Fongdoroli Congress bawanda pangthokhiba pawgi mifum amada mangna makhatana hai yamlaba senfam sing lana sinnakhiba singi mathakta inquiry chathaduna action lokhatpiu haibu warol yawba memorandum ama Prime Minister Lok Sabha ki Speaker Manipur ki Governor Chief Secretary amadi Assembly ki Secretary singda pisinkhre hairi Assembly da senja thumja satharakpa ase leiriba MLA amadi Speaker da amot pataisin bani maram aduna democracy ki license oiriba Assembly da senja thumja satharakpada House Committee ama semduna athubada ticket pangamloi hairabadi Manipur High Court natraga Supreme Court ta sinaduna ticket kadabani mathau tarakdabadi CBI da sinagadabani madu natrabadi hakthengnana PM ga unaduna wari sagani haibu wafamsu thamlakhe
Leibak asigi apapata mayam puna nahanmu aina gajagiba medical department janfa korora mangun bagi wapan tu di assembly da bicar taweba madu bicar taweba riba loisang do madu ki man dane aba ini berapa koror aku gitu ni nama apa juga isu pun gani awai mangi tu koror makan lakoni thoi mang si sine aina khandada masi gumba people si aina khangbo watna wigadra ai Bharat Varsa ki assembly amata da thongri thaje I don't think so such a scam might have been happened in any assembly in the country si amata thong hone chahiye thaje Masih baru di parlimen itu betul kopi apa kos nanti ya, mas untung lah, aku ini lagi tiga betul orang ni apa, aduna, aku ini, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha, Honorable Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, the Arulwenana. Koi memorandum of ID presentation masih thak hai ai mayam da lenge ko pai lai madu ki copy koi tam dekhi unani mari copy ma Manipur ki chief secretary da adu secretary Manipur assembly to be copy and also a copy of the memorandum sent to Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Governor, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, and each endorsed to the Chief Secretary of Manipur, Secretary Manipur Legislative Assembly, and India to their Northeast Guwahati Office, Assistant Secretary of Guwahati, Moidu Kopi. However, copies later, masih kami diam Lok Sabha na ayah lupa saja. It is a humble request for Constitutional House Committee of the Lok Sabha to inquire into the LA 7.20 crore Manipur Assembly scam reported in India to their notice 30 September 2025 concerning sanctioning of expenditure on this major plan and order item to find out and book the real culprit according to law. Masih capcana, aku lagi kain ni matungina tadi pina napa, aku lagi House Committee ama CMPU